Welcome back. I'm Ab Kaya, and today we're diving into the psychology of wealth, how your mindset shapes your financial reality. We'll unpack 10 research-backed strategies to transform your money mindset for 2025. Ready? Let's get started. Strategy 1. Overcome the scarcity mindset. If you're always worried about not having enough, you're stuck in scarcity mode, which narrows your thinking and leads to poor decisions. Research shows this mindset traps you in a cycle of fear and missed opportunities. Shift to abundance by focusing on what you have and the opportunities ahead. Practice gratitude. Each week, write down 3 small money wins, like saving a little extra or skipping an impulse buy. This rewires your brain to notice progress, not just lack. Try it for a month and see the difference. Strategy 2. Break the impulse spending cycle. Impulse buys are driven by dopamine. Marketers know this and make it easy to spend. Use the 24-hour rule. When tempted, wait a day before buying. Most urges fade. Leverage apps like Pocket Guard or YNAB to set spending alerts and block impulsive purchases. Challenge yourself this week. Pause before your next non-essential buy. Let us know how it goes. Strategy 3. Reframe risk as opportunity. Fear of investing is common, but loss aversion keeps you stuck. Instead of seeing risk as danger, view it as the price of growth. Start with diversified index funds or ETFs to reduce risk. Visualize your future self enjoying the rewards. This boosts motivation. Platforms like Vanguard make it easy to start small. Share your investment fears in the comments. Let's reframe them together. Strategy 4. Automate your financial discipline. Willpower fades, but automation never sleeps. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investments the day you get paid. Use apps like Plum or Chip to sweep extra cash into savings without you noticing. Automation builds wealth in the background, pain-free. Have you automated your finances? Share your setup below. Strategy 5. Conquer financial anxiety with clarity. Uncertainty breeds anxiety. The fix? Radical clarity. Create a one-page snapshot. Income, expenses, debts, and assets. Seeing it all in one place is empowering and reduces stress. Use tools like Empower or Mint to automate this process. Clarity is the foundation of confidence. Shine a light on your finances and watch anxiety fade. Strategy 6. Adopt a growth mindset for money. Don't believe you're bad with money. Financial skills can be learned. Commit to learning one new money skill each month. Investing, budgeting, or retirement planning. Use free resources like Coursera or Khan Academy. Reframe mistakes as lessons, not failures. Growth mindset means your financial future is in your hands. Start learning, keep growing. Strategy 7. Visualize your wealth goals. Visualization primes your brain for success. Athletes use it, so should you. Make a vision board with images of your goals: dream home, travel, debt-free life. Look at it daily and pair it with small, consistent actions. Visualization plus action turns dreams into reality. What's on your vision board? Strategy 8. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As income rises, so do expenses, unless you plan. Use the 50% rule. Save or invest half of any raise or bonus. Enjoy the rest. Automate this with apps like Capital. Keep your lifestyle steady while your wealth grows. Don't let higher income erase your progress. Strategy 9. Build a money support network. Your circle shapes your habits. Surround yourself with people focused on wealth building. Join local clubs, online communities, or subreddits like Our Personal Finance. Be active. Ask questions, share wins, support others. Talk openly about money with trusted friends. Your network is your net worth. Strategy 10. Celebrate small wins. Building wealth is a marathon. Celebrate every step. Set small goals and reward yourself. Coffee, a book, a night out. Positive reinforcement keeps you motivated. Many apps now gamify this with badges and animations. Acknowledge your progress. It all counts. That's 10 strategies to transform your money mindset for 2025. Don't get overwhelmed, just pick one and try it for 30 days. Consistency is key. You'll see real change. Which strategy will you start with? Share in the comments. If you found value, like, subscribe and hit the bell for more. Check the description for resources and tools. Thanks for watching. See you next time.